Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we have another Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figure to check out right here on Abners Reviews. So this is Emperor Pilaf number 919 Special Edition Funko Pop, and we will check him out right after the intro. So here you go guys with Emperor Pilaf right here, number 919, Special Edition Funko Pop right here. So Emperor Pilaf right here, or as from his minions, referred to as Emperor Pilaf or the Great King Pilaf, is an impish blue creature who dreams of nothing but conquering the world and getting more power for himself. So Pilaf right here previously ruled over his castle over there on Mushroom Forest, and he has two followers, Shu and Mai. They are loyal followers of Emperor Pilaf right here. And of course, Emperor Pilaf right here is the main antagonist on the Emperor Pilaf saga. So this figure measures 11 cm in height, 7 cm in width, and about 5 cm in thickness. So as we can see from our figure right here, this is quite a remarkable impish blue character from our Dragon Ball Z series right here. His face is entirely just blank right there, just bluish in color, and all we can see are those black circle eyes right there. Of course, on his head right here, that seemingly it is close to the Dragon Ball's logo right there on the center of his head right there, circle and the red star, right? And he's wearing a colorful circus-like cap, and he has those pronounced ears as well right there. So it's like Piccolo's but bluish in color. Moving down, you can see that in terms of his wardrobe, he dresses like an emperor. So that's hence the name Emperor Pilaf, right? So that is a very eloquent dress right there, just in terms of the white laces on his neck right there. As you can see, this is not a bobblehead figure. It's fixed. Yeah, this fixed right there. As you can see, all the laces from around his neck right there, and those are his arms right here, the green part. So you can see the hands right there, same color, and he's holding a 1-star Dragon Ball right there. So again, in terms of the wardrobe, it's like a dress. Underneath right there are purple pants and yellow dwarf-like shoes. So you can see on the sides right there, yellowish in color. This figure right here is pretty much on the small side. On the sides, you can see him right here, on the other side, and on the back. So this is Emperor Pilaf. So there you go guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figure, which is Emperor Pilaf number 919 Special Edition Funko Pop right here. So for inquiries and comments, please leave them all down below. And thank you for watching our video. So do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop figure reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
いい試合になりそうだな。